show you today on the operation of a Briggs Stratton 10,000 watt generator. Okay, first and foremost, you want to make sure that the cord is plugged into the 220 area and then the other side plugged into the trailer. Now there's no way to reverse this because this plug doesn't fit in this receptacle and vice versa. So what we want to do is we want to make sure that if the generator hasn't run, that we choke it before we start it. That's just this little lever right here. Also, we need to make sure that the fuel is on. Yes, this little lever right here. Also, we need to make sure that the fuel is on, which is this little lever here. You want to make sure that it's vertical, not horizontal. Then we take our ignition key, place it into the ignition so it fits, and then turn it.
Choke it.
Don't need to choke it. Shut it off, just turn the key. Okay, this generator is on the louder side as far as generators are concerned. So if you need a quieter generator, you're going to have to look for a different brand. But the Briggs Stratton has been 120 years in business and putting out very, very fine generators. And this is a very fine generator to power up the trailer.
Larry, over and out. Thank you, Larry.
Thank you, Larry.
Hey!